Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make creamy mushroom chicken. It's easy recipe. Let's start. First step, I have 300 grams of chicken. I cut it slim and add salt and black pepper and go to another step. Now in the pan, in the medium heat, I add 1 tablespoon of butter and add the chicken. Fry two sides for 5 minutes and move it from the pan. Now when we move the chicken with same pan, we add 1 piece of onion, we mix it for 20 seconds and we add garlic, we mix it and we add the mushroom, we mix it well and we leave it in the medium heat for 5 minutes. In this step, we add 1 cup of crema, we mix it very well and we leave it in the low heat for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we add the chicken and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes more. For the end, we add some salt with some black pepper. Like this, our food is cooking and ready for served. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.